Hello children, today our lesson is Unit 9, page 91 in your grade 10 textbook, Nature. Under this topic, we are going to learn about Kanneliya Forest Reserve. First, I will introduce you some words which may be new to you. Lesson Kanneliya. Discover, explore and conserve the natural beauty of Sri Lanka. Forest Reserve. An area of forest set aside and preserved by the government as a wilderness, national park or the like. Location, a particular place or position. Biodiversity, the variety of plant and animal life in a particular habitat, a high level of which is usually considered to be important. Streams, small narrow river. Vegetation, plants considered collectively, especially found in particular areas. Deforestation refers to the decrease in forest areas that are lost for other uses such as agricultural croplands, urbanization, etc. Cascades, a small waterfall. Plant species. A species is a type of plant having same or similar characteristics with each other. Hiking. The activity of going for long walks. Abundant. Existing or available in large quantities. Plentiful. Discover. Find unexpectedly or during research. Explore, inquire into or discuss in details. Conserve, protect something of environment or cultural importance from harm or destruction. Kanneliya. Location. Kanneliya Forest Reserve is located in the Galle district in the southern province, about 125 kilometers away from Colombo. It is one of the largest forest reserves with a high biodiversity in Sri Lanka. Waterfalls. Inside the forest, there are many streams adding life to the vegetation. Although deforestation has affected them, these streams create beautiful cascades. There is a high rainfall in Kanneliya from May to October, making it an ideal time to see waterfalls. Anagimalai Falls is the closest waterfall to the entrance of the forest reserve. It is just 2 kilometers away from the entrance. You need to go to a little deeper into the forest to see the beautiful waterfall called Narangas L. Biodiversity. There are 301 plant species at Kanneliya Forest Reserve, some 133 animal species and 59 species of birds, making it very rich in biodiversity. Hiking. The water level of the streams is low from March to April and August to September. Those are ideal times to Kanneliya for hiking. Now, Activity 1. Read the passage on Kanneliya and fill the grid. You have to fill location, distance from Colombo, importance, attractions, best time to visit. Activity 2. Read the passage about Kanneliya and say whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1. Kanneliya is the one and only forest reserve in Sri Lanka. 2. There is a variety of wildlife in the Kanneliya Forest Reserve. Third one, March is a good time to visit Kanneliya to see the waterfalls. Fourth one, deforestation has affected the water levels of the streams. Last one, hiking is difficult in the month of June. Next one, which of the following is the main idea of this passage? There are many places of natural beauty like Kanneliya in Sri Lanka. Kanneliya is an ideal destination for nature lovers. Kanneliya cannot be visited throughout the year due to climatic conditions. Thank you, children. Hope to see you again.